this is a quick cheat method. If you don't have time to block your project properly, then first pull the fabric sideways. Simply take the edges of the project if the project is narrow, or make folds and take the fabric between the folds and pull that apart like this. Pretty hard, but not to break it. And then do the same to the whole width of the fabric. So first go one way and then move up, and then do the same again and again until the whole fabric is stretched sideways. And let's do it again. Just like this, very easy. And then pull the fabric lengthwise. So we do the same. Either grab the cast on and bind off edge if the project is short, like a cowl for example, or again make horizontal folds this time and pull the fabric like this between the folds. And go through all the fabric, through every stitch of the fabric, just like this. And then when you do that, you will see that the look of the fabric improved drastically. So it's not already as messy, but there are still some stitches that are not perfect. Let's say this one, for example, is a bit bigger than it should be. So in this case, take a wool needle, or if the yarn is thick, then you can do it with your fingers, and pull the legs of the neighboring stitches to redistribute the yarn. Let's say to fix this stitch, I'm gonna pull the neighboring stitches, and then again I'll pull this segment of the fabric, I'll pull it sideways and then lengthwise, and as you see, the stitch is fixed. So this method works for all fibers and all stitch patterns, but the result is still not as good as the one we get with wet blocking. So if you have the time, it is always better to block your knitted creation with water or steam, especially if the project is worked in a lacy pattern. The full tutorial about dry blocking is at tenroseday.com/dry-blocking. The full tutorial about the conventional blocking is at tenroseday.com/blocking. Happy knitting, my friend. I'll talk to you in the next tutorial.